Number 2. Between Mohit and Rohit, and divide rupees 1,800 in the ratio 4:5. So before we solve, let us try to understand by doing this example, right? So let's say you have rupees 10 with you, and you also divide this among two of your friends in the ratio 3:7, which means what? One of your friend will receive 3 rupees, and then your other friend will receive 7 rupees. So what did we do here? We divided this rupees 10 into 10 equal part. 3:7 means what? 3 plus 7 is 10, right? So this rupees 10 has been divided into 3 equal parts, into 10 equal parts. That's why we know that your first friend will receive 3 rupees, and then your other friend will receive 10 rupees. Let's do one more. So let's say now you have rupees 20. So same again, you also divide this rupees 20 among two of your friends in the ratio 3:7. That means what? Your first friend will receive 6 rupees, and then your other friend will receive 14 rupees. So what did we do here? We divided this rupees 20 in the into 10 equal parts, right? Once again, remember 3:7 means 3 plus 7 equals 10, or 10 equal parts. Okay, so now if you have understood here, let's go back to the question. Divide rupees 1,800 in the ratio 4:5. That means what? This rupees 1,800 has been made or divided into 9 equal parts. Here 3 plus 7 is 10, right? So 4:5 means 4 plus 5 equals 9. The total part is 9. Clear? All right, now let's find the each of the share. So Mohit share, we already know how much from the total 9 parts, how much part is getting? 4 part, right? So Mohit is getting 4 part out of the total 9 share of what? Rupees 1,800, right? So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Then when you multiply, you're going to get rupees 800. Clear? Now Rohit share, we know he's getting 5 part out of the total 9 parts. So 5 parts out of the total 9 parts of what? This rupees 1,800. So once again, 9 twos are 18, right? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So I'm having 5 into 200, which means he's going to get 1,000. So what do you understand from here? We get it that Mohit is getting rupees 800, and then Rohit is getting 1,000 rupees. Clear? If you see, you're getting a total amount 1,800, right? All right, let's do the next question. The sum of 3 numbers in the ratio 2:3:5 is 1,400, which means this 1,400 has been divided into how many parts? 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10, right? So this 1,400 has been divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, so let's find all the 3 numbers. So the first number, we know that it is 2, right? Out of the total how many parts? 10 of what? This number, right? So I can divide it 0 and 0. I'll have 2 into 140, which if I multiply, I'm going to get 370. The second is 3 parts out of the total 10 parts, right? So 3 parts out of the total 10 parts of what? Of this number. Once again, you can divide these two, and then when you multiply 3 into 140, you'll get 420. The last part is 5 out of the total 10 parts, right? So 5 parts out of the total 10 parts. So once again, you divide it 0 and 0. I'm going to have 5 into 140, which I divide, I'm going to get 720. So the first number is 370, the second number is 420, and then the third number is 720. All right, if you add all these 3 numbers, you should get 1,400. Clear? All right, let's do question number 5. Students of class 7 are going to the picnic. Ratio of the number of boys and girls is 2:5, which means the total number of parts that has been divided is 5 equal parts. Okay, what is the total number of students? 60. We also find a number of boys and girls. Okay, so this total number of students 60 has been divided into 5 equal parts, right? Of which 2 is boys and then 3 is girls. So once again, I have to add the ratios first, right? 2 plus 3 equals 5. So now let's find a number of boys and girls. So number of boys, how much? 2 parts out of the total 5 parts of how many students? 60, right? Then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Then when you multiply, you'll get 24. Now let's also find number of girls. How many parts does a girl take? 3, right? 3 out of the total 5 parts. So again, 5 ones are 5 of how many students? 60. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. And 3 into 12, 36. Right? So when you add, you're going to get 60. So the number of boys is how much? 24, and the number of girls is 36. Let's do one more. Divide 360 in 3 parts. In a ratio 3:4:5, which means what? This total 360 has been divided into how many equal parts? 5 plus 4 is 9, and then 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so this 360 has been divided into 12 equal parts. So the first part is how much? 3, right? So 3 out of the total how many parts? 12, right? Of what? Sum is 3, and the total part is how much? 360, right? 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 0 is there. 3 into 30 will get 90. The second part is 4, right? 4 out of the total 12 parts, and what is that? The total is 360. 12 ones are 12, 12 3 is 60, then 4 into 30, I'm going to get 100 20. Clear? And now the last part, what did they say? The last part is 5 part out of the total. 5 part out of the total 12 parts, right, of this 360. So 12 1 12, 12 3 is 36. So 5 into 30, I'm going to get 150. Okay, so the first part is 90, the second part is 120, and the third part is 150.